Hello, everyone. I'd like to share with you a comprehension test program. You know, the Americans call it a quiz maker. It's an AI program called Conker.ai. And there's a free version and a paid version. The free version just has a limited number of quizzes that you can create and a limited number of questions. Anyway, the purpose of this video is just to show you what you can do with it. So this is the interface that you have. Create a Conker quiz. Now, the way I do this is I find a text that I want to use. I'm going to go to Google Docs because I have quite a few texts here. Let me look at hypotheses. It's a short one, and it's for GCSE psychology. And I'm going to copy it. Control C, go back, Conker for AI, paste it into that little box or window, and there it is. I'm then clicking next, and it asks me what type of questions I want. Multiple choice, mixed, read and respond, fill in the blank. So it's quite a range. I'm going to go for mixed this time, and then I'm going to go for just 5 questions. Grade level, you can choose everything from year 1 up to higher education. I'm picking further education level for this one, and English output, language output, English UK. You could do French if you want to. You can do Arabic if you want to. So I haven't played with those. Then I will go to the top right and click generate, and it's going to make me a comprehension exercise. There we go. I've asked it for 5 questions. Now you can leave it like this, or here's the next super thing you can do. When it's finished generating, you can go to the top right corner and you can click share, and you can either copy the link and send it, or you can go to forms. Now you can link this app to your Google Forms account, which I've done, and it will allow me to open the quiz in Google Forms. The heading is incorrect, and one thing it does, when it copies and pastes, it doesn't take cognizance of paragraphs. So you will have to make those adjustments and so on. Right, there's a Google form. It has all of the questions. I told it to put in 5. I thought it's done 10. Never mind. The other thing that I have to check for is that it will often, even though I say UK English, it will often give me American spelling, so I'll adjust those when I want to. And then I can send that Google form to my students, put it on Google Classroom, or, of course, I can print it. Let's just have a look at this form as a student would see it. So click on this, your name, read the text, answer the questions. What is the purpose of a hypothesis in a study? To make predictions. What is a repeated measures design in a study? And I'm just going to click any old ones here because I need to get through this quickly. And submit. View score. Now, I only get 4 out of 19. Have a look at this. Gives me feedback. I love your work. That's the correct answer. And then for the ones that are wrong, not quite, the correct response was, I don't like not quite. And you can adjust these answers. Not quite. No, it's just wrong. But there we go. Gives the student the answer. And it's all worked out for you. It's genius. So obviously it's going to be more suitable for certain subjects than others, but I encourage you to play with it. It just makes life easier.